Good morning. How's everybody? We are back with the forecast for the US markets, the US dollar, Bitcoin, oil, and gold for the week of December, starting 8th December. So, this is an important week. The big meeting, the Federal Reserve meeting, is happening on the 9th and 10th of December, as a result of which we are expecting a rate cut. It's not an absolute certainty. In fact, if anything, we are expecting this to be a very contentious meeting. It seems that the Fed governors are undecided amongst themselves, and it's going to come down to the vote of Chairman Jay Powell and how much he's able to convince the governors either way. So this is going to be an interesting one. My prediction is that we will get a rate cut at the end of this meeting, and if that happens, the markets are going to rally significantly. However, if it doesn't happen, then we will see an equal amount of volatility in the market. So we should be prepared for that. Similarly, we are expecting the Bitcoin to stabilize somewhat as the markets rally. I think it will climb further from its current level of 90,000. I don't think it will climb much though. Maybe it will go up to 93, 94,000, or not higher than that. The oil prices, I think, will remain volatile. There will be a lot of fluctuation depending on the Russia-Ukraine peace talks. If the peace talks go ahead, I think the prices will drop. But if they don't, I would imagine that the prices will climb further. Similarly, if we get a rate cut and we get a rally in the markets, gold prices will drop from there. I don't expect any further upward movement in gold prices. And the US dollar will weaken if we get a rate cut. But if we don't, then the US dollar will strengthen as a result. So it all depends on the rate cut. And my prediction for next week is that we will get a rate cut. We've always given you a prediction regarding these big market moving events, and they're always correct. So be ready for this. Be ready for a rally in the markets. And my prediction is that you will see one. We'll keep you posted, and we will be back with more next week. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and goodbye.